What's the meaning of Angola? Angola. 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 Angola.
Angola is a country located in southwestern Africa, bordered by Namibia to the south, Zambia to the east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. The name Angola is derived from the Bantu words Ngola, or Angola, which was the title given to the king of the Ndongo kingdom that occupied the region during the 16th century. Angola gained independence from Portugal in 1975 and has since experienced conflicts and political instability. Its economy is dominated by the oil industry, but it also has significant deposits of diamonds, gold, and other minerals.